Hello and welcome to India Today, where we are glad to show you the steps taken scientifically to conquer the depth of the oceans. Already, India has gone so much advanced to actually go ahead into the space. Now we have gone to the moon surface and we're also researching about the sun. But there is another aspect of science which is 1,000 times much more difficult, and that is the ocean, the depth of the ocean. And there are steps going ahead to actually research about it, not just a few meters or so, but 6,000 meters. And that's the project called Samudrayaan. Matsya 6000. Behind us, you could see the process that is happening currently. This is a pressure hull that has been tested for 500 meters, and there is process to go ahead and make a similar pressure hull and a manned submersible carrying 3 people all the way to 6,000 meters, meaning 6 kilometers into the ocean's depth.
Ocean is a treasure trove of living and non-living resources. Before we do commercial exploitation of these resources, it is necessary to explore and understand these resources. For example, gas hydrates, which are available at 1000 meters water depth, polymetallic nodules, which are available at around 5200 meters water depth, and hydrothermal sulfides, which are available at around 3000 meters. So these are minerals of our interest. There may be of minerals of future. So to explore these things, we need this vehicle. Actually, conquering inner space, that is oceans, is as difficult as conquering the outer space. There are some differences. At 6,000 meters, the pressure is around 600 bar. It is actually 600 times more than the atmospheric pressure. And the temperature is almost 2 degrees centigrade. You can control a Mars rover sitting from here, but you cannot control what is below 20 meters in water. So with the electromagnetic waves don't travel, so you don't have the communication with the system that is in the deep. So it is actually, we cannot control it. So we need a man in the loop to control it and to take informed decisions there. So it's a challenge there.
Let's get in and show you more of this. And here we are stepping into the Matsya 6000 type, one of the types that has also already been, the research is going on and everything. And this is inside. We are going into the pressure hull that will take the explorers deep into the ocean. We are currently inside a vessel. This is something called as a pressure hull. The actual diameter would be not more than 2 meters or so, and this is a place where 3 scientists will sit inside and they will explore the ocean's depth. Not just any depth, but 6,000 meters, which means 6 kilometers depth, and that there will be a pressure up to 600 times that what you face on the surface of Earth, and the water temperature should be not more than 3 to 4 degrees. Under such conditions, scientists are planning to go over there, and National Institute of Technology or Ocean Technology is creating this vessel. I have to tell you something very clear. This might look like things are placed like this, but this is actually wantedly done so because this is something called as a modular design. Imagine you're going to go 6,000 meters underwater. You're going to be there for 4 hours, and if anything goes wrong, you will have to have the capacity to handle it. And that's the reason anything that is required is easily reachable for the scientists and the pilots. So this is deliberately designed in that manner, even though it is a prototype. And this hull that we are present inside currently, this has already been tested for 600 meters. This is made of steel and it's pretty strong. You can't even hear that bang. And this is the kind of window through which the scientists will actually be able to see nothing but pitch dark. They will have some light, probably 10 meters light source over there, and from here they will do the conduct the research. And we also have a scientist from NIOT with us. Thank you so much, Satya sir, for speaking to us. So tell us about this vessel in particular.
Yeah, this is actually a steel vessel, pressure hull, which is rated for 500 meters depth operations, and it is tested for 620 meters depth. And we have also kept all the life support systems inside it. Actually, if you see, whenever human beings are kept in a closed vessel, we need to provide them oxygen for sustaining their life. So the oxygen cylinders provide that. So we have provided the oxygen cylinders, and whenever we breathe, we give out carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide has to be taken out, and that will be taken out by using the soda lime. So the soda limes are kept in a CO2 scrubber. So the CO2 scrubbers will take the